Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a beautiful and spacious home located in the Boscobel scheme in St. Mary and close to all major amenities. The ground floor consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, garage, washroom, and patio. The upper floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living room with lots of space, 2 patios with a sea view. This home is comfortable and spacious and waiting for your offer. This home is approximately 3,500 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.